Hi everyone, this is Lokabhi from Vasishta Educational Institutions. We are going to some analysis of permutation combinations probability for JEE mains competitive exams. When observing previous 5 years about the topic probability for JEE mains, so number of possible questions 1 or 2 confirm, 1 or 2 for each session. Why? Because in 25 they asked 24 questions, 24 25 questions, 23 26 questions, 22 26 questions. So on an average for each session you will get 1 question or 2 questions confirmed in this topic. So here the subtopics of probability, classical definition of probability and conditional probability with multiplication theorem, Bernoulli trials. So this was used in binomial distribution and random variables and probability distribution, Bayes theorem. So these are the subtopics major in JEE mains. Here when observing in all these topics, very important, so we will get 5 questions easy questions, moderate 12 questions, 5 tough. So total 22 questions we have here. So 2 questions, mixed questions you will get here. So in condition, so these 2 topics very easy when go to with the terminology of the question. So first read the question and then go through the concepts. So major part, classical definition of probability, that is n of a by n of s. So this is the basic formula of probability. Possible chance by total chance, possible ways by total ways. So by using this you can cover all these concepts. In same manner, when observing 2024 year from the topic probability, we get 26 questions. So in this also distribution, so 6 questions from classical definition of probability, 5 questions from conditional probability and with the multiplication theorem. Binomial distribution we get 1 question. On random variables 5 questions. So now this year also we are expecting so these 2 topics, random variables and probability distributions, Bayes theorem total probability. Based on these 2 topics we get around 14 questions. So these total depending upon only the terminology of the question. First read the question and understand the question, go through the basic formula of n of a by n of s. We will get the answer. Okay, see few different models what they are asking in previous JEE mains. So first of all in probability, so this is the question, A and B alternatively throw a dice, A wins throw a sum of 5 before B throws sum of 8. If B wins, if he sum of 8 before A throws sum of 5, probability that A wins. If A makes first throw. So like that, this is the question in based on infinite series. So this is every such same as to see here 2 numbers k1 need to randomly selection for the satisfying condition I power k1 plus I power k2. This whole value is integer, is non-zero integer. So like that, a board has 16 squares as shown figure. Out of these 16 squares, 2 squares are chosen at random, like that. So all these questions depending upon question only. So but just read the question and find n of a by n of s. So by using these 2 questions you will get, this is a question, this is the question based on infinite series. So like that. So every question in probability depending upon understanding the question. So just understand the question and go through the solution. In previous JEE mains, Analysis of permutation combination. So in permutation combination, when observing possible number of questions, one question confirm in JEE mains. In 2025, we get 19 questions out of 20 sessions for 20 sessions. Similarly, 24, we get 18 questions. Approximately one question will come from permutation combinations. So here in permutation combinations, what are the subtopics we have in this permutation combinations? First of all, the total topic we are divided into 12 units. Here, arrangement under constraint. So this is very, very important. Factorial problems, arrangements based on bundle and gap method. So and combinations, this is the basic concept by using NCR formula. So in these 4 topics, we get around 14 questions. 4, 0, 4, 5. So these 4 topics very, very important for JEE mains. All these are basics. So in JEE mains, he is concentrating on basic concepts of permutations, especially in 2024 and 25, more concentration on permutation when compared with combinations. So in combinations, what are the concepts we have? Division and distribution of distinct items, selection of one or more, division of identical items, exponent of prime, number of solutions of x plus y plus z equal to k, geometric permutations, and rank problems based on functions. Out of except these 4, in remaining part, rank problems very, very important, and geometric permutation. They are concentrating on these 2 topics. So for when going to JEE mains, we have to revise those topics. So we discussed 2025 year. In same way, when observing 2024 also, arrangement under constraint, they got 2 questions. Factorial 3 models. Arrangement based on bundle method and gap method combinations. So in these 4 concepts, 8 questions. And in remaining also, selection of one or more. So in selection of one or more also, this is based on only NCR concept. So when observing 2024 and 25, he is concentrating on more basics of permutation combinations. So first read the question and understand the question, what way he is discussing, and then go through the solution. You will get very easily 4 marks from this topic. So when seeing few problems in permutation combinations, see this is the question, 60 votes can be made. So it is based on rank problem. This is the rank problem. Next, number of triangles whose vertices are the vertices of regular octagon, but none of whose sides is side of the octagon. This is a basic question in combinations. Number of integers between 100 to 1000 having sum of their digits equals to 14. So this is the question, combinations, basic question, and total number of votes with or without meaning that can be formed out of the letters of the word distribution. This is number of arrangements. Like this, same way of questions they are asking JEE mains, where from basics of permutations and combinations, few problems from arrangements, few problems from selections. So more concentrating on basic concepts. So just read very well about the question and then go through the answer. So here, when observing from permutation combinations analysis, in 100%, almost arrangements on bundle gap method and numerical arrangements, group selections, So here in this part he is concentrating more. Group selections also somewhat around, it is 55%, and here it is 30%, and remaining geometrical problems, some sessions they are asking around 15%. Okay, so like that in overall 100% we are dividing. So more concentrate on permutation combinations, we will get one question confirm. So that also from permutations maximum and combinations basics only. So thank you all of you. All the best for JEE Mains 2026 from Sri Vasishta Educational Institutions.